Hello, this is Kevin with Coinery. Today we're going to make a ring out of a 2022 Angelou quarter. So the radial lines come from the center, really makes a nice design. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off by punching a 1/2 inch hole into the quarter. So we have so far, like I said, those radial lines are right underneath the United States of America. Looks pretty nice. We're gonna deburr that edge where we just punched the hole out. Take some 320 sandpaper and further smooth out that edge. Okay. So now we're going to anneal the coin to soften it, and heat it with propane torch and quench it in water. Alright, we're going to start the folding process with a doming block and a deburring ball bearing. Be face down, and it'll open it up this half sphere here, and then we'll use a 17 degree die to further open it up. Okay, this is 17 degree die, male and female, and it matches that profile there. That's what we have so far. It's pretty nice. So we're gonna anneal again, and then we'll go to our ring sizer, start making it look like a ring. Okay, let's look at our cut edge there. Let's sand that down just a little bit. Just make sure it's nice and smooth. We don't want any cracks to run. Okay. This is our ring sizer. Use a little paper towel to preserve that inside detail. It's not real, it's not going to affect a copper nickel coin too much because they're actually pretty hard. They're meant for circulation. But it's good to put it in there anyway. Okay. That's what we have so far. Let's go ahead and start reducing it. And then we'll trim off this inside edge to make it a little bit more comfortable. Okay. Gonna put a little candle wax. And then we're going to use the reducing dies on the bottom of this ring sizer right here. Same 17 degree dies as we used earlier. It's just in for reducing these rings. A couple more times. See what we got here. So whenever the initial time I do it, I always go down a little bit more aggressive here so we can force that metal to the inside, trim it, and then we'll do the final size of it after that's done. So now we're gonna heat it up, burn off this wax, and we'll trim off that inside edge. Go back to using our ring holding jig here. I'm using our deburring tool. It's really meant for plumbing, but it's good for rings too. Any kind of copper, silver, gold, or anything. It's got a nice little cutting edge here. Not too sharp to the finger, but trims metal really nicely. Okay. That's what it looks like once you're done trimming. You just want to keep picking at it so you can feel that it's smooth. And take some 320 sandpaper, hit all the edges, and then we'll finish resizing it. Okay, that's what we have right there. So let's go ahead and get it to its final, get the edges all squared up, and then we'll put a finish on it. Okay. And come back to our ring sizer. Expanded it out. Now we're going to take that top edge down again, and we'll call it good. Just put a little more wax on there. Okay. So that looks pretty good. Let's go and burn off this wax. Put some fire scale on it. Let's clean it up, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay. It's got some nice fire scale on there. I'm gonna take some 4/0 steel wool, extra fine or super fine. Not sure what it's called, but we're gonna take this, take down the high points, and it'll expose all this nice detail. Okay. So this is the finished product. Got the nice lines going to the United States of America. It's a pretty nice design. Got the $250. And that's the 2022 My Angelou quarter into a ring. Okay. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you want to see other rings that I make, you can see my Etsy site. Link will be in the description. And thank you for watching my video. Bye.